Today we're painting a large portrait of a cockatiel. This is 11 by 14 inches. A lot of my paintings are on these smaller canvases. This is 8 by 8, but we're going to do a nice large one today. We're working from this reference here. Look at this handsome fellow. So we're going to paint his portrait, and I'm going to use the same colors here because I really love this one, how this one turned out with the blue that complements the orange in his cheek, but then the simple gray background. So we're going to go with these colors here and paint this one. Let's go. So he's finished. Look at this handsome gentleman. I think he is definitely a mature male cockatiel. Super handsome, relaxed and collected looking. I had a couple of these guys when I was growing up, so whenever I paint them, it always feels really, really special. Their names were Pretty and Tweety, and it was really funny. It was a male and a female, but Pretty wasn't interested in Tweety at all, so they lived as brother and sister for many, many years. And I have a portrait of him here that I wanted to show. Actually, both of them are in here. Pretty was very special to me because I got him for Christmas. I had some parakeets before, which I loved, but this guy was hand-fed, so he would sit on me, and he was really special. But he was very emotional and would bite, kind of play bite really easily, and get really angry a lot. It was adorable. And this was Tweety back here, very, very sweet. She was a rescue. A family member found her on the street, really, really hungry, and we took care of her, and she was really sweet, and they were really good friends for many years. And here they're walking around in our house. So I always love painting cockatiels, so I have many of them and paint them. This one is the biggest one, besides one I did of Pretty, and it was funny, I just remembered this story a long time ago. I painted him, and I was just a little kid. I think maybe I was 12 years old, 13. And I showed it to my grandma, and my grandma said, "Oh, that's very nice, you know." And I was like, "I think I'm gonna frame it. I really like it." She's like, "Why don't you wait and see if you can do one that's better?" And I felt like, oh, I felt so bad. That was my best I could do. But now I've been painting them all these years, and I think now I'm able to paint them better. So who knows, maybe I'll frame this one, or maybe I'll just keep painting. So anyway, I will be showing this to the owner later on. So that is the story behind all of these cockatiel paintings. So thank you for joining me for this. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot to me and helps me to keep painting, making these videos. So, and if you want to leave a comment, I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much. Stay creative, my friend.